This is a really cool cut to make on a lathe. This is another boring bar holder that holds a 5mm carbide boring bar like this. And the holder I ordered is too big to fit in my tool holders. So since I don't have a mill, I'm lathing it down, and hopefully this goes well. I don't know if you saw those sparks or not, but it throws a little bit of a light show. Try to get us in a little bit closer this time and hopefully see it a little better. We go 10 thousandths of an inch depth of cut again. Sounds like an airplane fixing to take off. If you're curious, I'm driving the cross feed with my drill. Let's see how that looks. My tool holders are 5.12 or 0.512 inches inside. You know, that's what they'll hold. It's a half an inch. That's 5.518. So need to go another 10 thou. Dial in 10 thou here. Yeah, pretty good. I think, check it with the micrometer, 0.497. Check the other side, 0.492. I think we're safe. See if it'll clamp down. I might turn a flat on the inside corner there, just make it square. Oh yeah. Tell you what, I like it. Like it a lot. That's it. I could really use subscribers, and I could really use some likes and some comments. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And see you next time.